once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Kamusta mga one? I'm your nomadic one, ang yung Hugo Travel Bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. So this is episode 16 ng ating biyahe with me in New Zealand, and for today's vlog papunta tayo ng Tauranga. Kakadapog lang natin ng car natin, so pick up natin yung bagong car papuntang Tauranga, and update na lang, sana hindi tayo gabahin. So yun everyone, keep on watching.
Nomadic.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off.
Hey! Kamusta everyone? We are back with another episode of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. After ng Auckland adventures natin, bumiyahe tayo papuntang Tauranga and Rotorua before heading back to Wellington. Samahan niyo ako while we explore Tauranga and parts of Rotorua that we haven't seen before. This is episode 16 and we are headed to Tauranga and Rotorua. Good morning mga one, it's our day 6 na dito and we are here at Tauranga na, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi gabi na nang dumating kami dito sa Tauranga, mga around 2.5 siguro yung biyahe, 2.5 hours yung biyahe papunta dito sa Tauranga from Auckland. So malas natin kasi ayon sa weather forecast 95% na uulan ngayon, pero hindi naman umulan currently, so try nating pumunta ng Mount Maunganui and then punta tayo ng Rotorua kasi mga around 45 minutes siguro yung biyahe papunta doon. So ayun, update na lang mga one. First stop natin, ang Tauranga. Tauranga is the largest city in the coastal Bay of Plenty and is home to approximately 140,000 people. It is home to a variety of unique attractions. The city's renowned Mount Maunganui is a popular landmark, offering stunning views of the Bay of Plenty. Malas lang natin at nataong maulan nung nagpunta tayo, pero sulit pa rin kasi at least nakita natin ang Mount Maunganui. So ayun, this is Mount Maunganui mga one, kaso naulan, so wala, hanggang sightseeing lang tayo. Bumaba lang talaga ako ng car para kuhanan ng footage, pero saglit lang tayo, then alis na tayo papuntang Rotorua mga one. So yan ang Mount Maunganui.
Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not.
Your destination will be on the left.
It's raining everyone, so di natin alam kung may mapupunta tayo ngayon, pero parang itutuloy pa rin natin yung Rotorua natin. So stop over muna kami para mag toilet and then diretso na tayo ng Rotorua. Yo, so guys, update na lang. Sana sa Rotorua okay na yung panahon, pero I doubt, baka naulan pa rin doon. So yun, kita-kits na lang sa Rotorua.
Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights skin at the
Rotorua. Sitting within the Pacific Rim of Fire, Rotorua is a geothermal wonderland with bubbling mud pools, clouds of steam, and natural hot springs, perfect for bathing and relaxing in.
And we have reached Rotorua, everyone. So kain muna tayo dito sa may Yaki-Yaki Suki Card Yarn. So dito na naman tayo kumain nung last time na nagpunta tayo dito. So kain ulit tayo dito. Then try natin pumunta ng Centennial Park, Craters of the Moon, at saka Redwood. So hopefully mapunta natin kahit ganito yung weather. So yun, update na lang everyone.
Quirao Park, Rotorua is an iconic family-friendly inner-city park that is also a massive geothermal destination for tourists. Numerous walkways wind their way to the geothermal setting, offering exciting views of mud pools, boiling lakes, and geothermic wonders. Perfect location para sa mga naghahanap ng geothermal site within the city.
At yun everyone, andito na tayo sa may Quirao Park. Malapit lang siya sa may city, and makikita nyo dito is geothermal activity daw, yung mga pausok-usok ganun. So tingnan natin. As usual, amoy bulok na itlog tayo. So ayun mga wan, this is Coray Park. So ayon sa legend, meron daw young woman na nagangalang Coray, and then naligo siya dito. Tapos meron daw monster or tanifa in Maori language, at drinag daw siya pababa. So nagalit daw yung mga gods, at yun, pinagboil tong tubig dito hanggang mamatay daw yung monster. So yun yung legend nito.
Government Gardens, Rotorua. Explore historic gardens that surround a Tudor-style Ispabat house and an ornate Mediterranean-style public swimming pool. Peer through the steam into ancient bubbling geothermal pools. Isa din to sa Instagrammable places sa Rotorua.
So andito na tayo mga wan sa government's building. Isa siyang bathhouse dati na may Tudor-style architecture. So ayun mga wan, naulan na tayo dito sa may Government's Park. So try natin yung Centennial Park. Kahit naulan, ilaban natin.
Centennial Park, Rotorua, formerly known as the Rotorua Tree-Just, is situated on the slopes of Tihutanga at the southern side of the city. The area consists of 20 hectares of rolling land with some quite steep gullies. Perfect din to for sightseeing and Instagram photos.
Andito tayo sa my Centennial Park everyone, pero ayun, naambon pa din, pero for the vlog.
Christian Gasa once said, "Mga bata, huwag kayong magmamadaling tumanda. Hindi masaya dito. Hindi totoo na kapag nagtrabaho ka na marami ka ng pera. Sa mga bills pa lang at personal mong gastusin, ubos ka na. Tapos may mga pamilya ka pa na dapat suportahan. Papasok ka ng 5 araw, mabubuhay ka ng 2. Matutulog ka ng 5 oras para kumain ng 8 plus biyahe pa. Magtatrabaho ka ng buong taon para mag-enjoy ng 1 buwan. 40 years ka mag-work, tapos after retirement, wala kang napala. Adulthood is not fun. An ending cycle of financial problems and work para makasurvive sa araw-araw at hindi tayo mamatay. That's the main reason why we feel less happy as we grow up. Nabubuhay at bumabangon na lang kasi tayo para sa mga responsibilidad. Kaya habang teenager ka pa lang ngayon at nasa young adult with no responsibilities, live the moment while it lasts. Yung happiness na nadarama mo ngayon sa edad na yan ay hindi mo na ulit mararamdaman sa iyong pagtanda, dahil ang puso mo ay mababalot ng dilim sa dami ng iyong pagdadaanan. Pero ganun pa man, for me, Siguro we just need to live day by day and we should be contented and live at the moment. Maikli lang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya and let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.
So ayun mga wan, that's our episode 16 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. And dito pa rin tayo sa Rotorua pero pabalik na tayo ng Tauranga. So madilim na kaya tapusin na natin tong vlog natin and see you again on the next vlog. Sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic One, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso. At kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future videos ko. So ayun, nagpunta lang tayo ng Centennial Park. Ano pang pinuntahan natin? Kaurai Park, Centennial Park, and then sa may Government's Garden. So ayun mga wan, balikan natin ang Rotorua next time. And yon, see you on my next vlog.